Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to MTL Box Breaks. It is Sunday, September the 22nd, and it is now 12:25 p.m. Eastern Time. So I will now do the break number 306, which is a Rookie Anthology 2011-12 brand new box. All right, serial number NE181161600. On these breaks, we always give the bonus packs. So we have 5 plus 5, 10. All right. So pack number 1, a thick one. Let's see what we have inside. Base, base, base. And for the Ottawa Senators, Rookie Treasures, Eric Condra, autograph, and number out of 499. Nice hit for Ottawa. Base and base. Pack number 2. Base, base. Calder Contenders for the Edmonton Oilers. Anton Lander, number out of 999. Base and base. Pack number 3. Base, base. Pinnacle Rookie for the Phoenix Coyotes, David Rundblad. Private signings for the Columbus Blue Jackets, John Moore. Autograph, of course. Base and base. Base, base, base. For the LA Kings, starting 6, we have Anse Kopitar, Dustin Brown, Jack Johnson, Jonathan Quick, Drew Doughty, and Justin Williams. Nice card, nice hit for LA. Base and base. Pack number 6. Base, base, base. We have a random case, draft year, between Wendell Clark from the Toronto Maple Leafs and John Neuwendyk from the Calgary Flames. So this one will go random. Base and base. Base. Pinnacle rookie for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Pierre-Cédric Labrie. Base and base, pack number 8. Pinnacle rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Simon Desprez. Base and base. Base. Rookie royalty for the Washington Capitals, Thomas Kondratek. Base, and the last pack before the bonus. Base. Pinnacle rookie, John Moore for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Base and base. All right, and the bonus. It's for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Luxury Suite, Curtis Joseph, stick and jersey, nice patch. Alright, so we only have one random to do on this box. So let's do it right now. So we have Toronto and Calgary. Alright, so as you could see, I wrote 2 times each team. So I will run them 3 times, and the first team on top after 3 will take the card. Alright, so let's begin. Random number 1, number 2, and the winner will be Calgary. So as you could see, 4 items on the list, 2 times Calgary, 2 times Toronto. You could see the time, and I have randomized 3 times right here. So the winner is Calgary. All right. So on this break we have John Neuwendyk for the Calgary Flames, Curtis Joseph for the Toronto Maple Leafs. John Moore for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Thomas Kundratek for the Washington Capitals. Simon Desprez for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Pierre-Cédric Labrie for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Pinnacle starting 6 for the LA Kings. John Moore for the Columbus Blue Jackets. David Rundblad for the Phoenix Coyotes. Anton Lander for the Edmonton Oilers. And the first hit, Eric Condra for the Ottawa Senators. Alright, so thank you very much for joining. I hope that the team that you picked had good hits, and hope to see you on next breaks.